let's print all soft strings of a string in Java. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to print all soft string of a string just using a simple client code. So you can just simply copy up and modify this code as you want. So now in this video, we will use nested loops. So we use two loops. The outer loop picks the starting index, that is int_i, and the inner loop, that is int_j, picks the ending index. Then we call substring start comma end. And after that we call substring with parentheses start and end. We do that for on each iteration to extract and print that portion. For example, if the string is abc, the output will be a, ab, b, bc and c. This works because Java's substring method includes the start index but excludes the end index. This simple trick shows the power of nested loops with string manipulation. This is great for learning how to break string into every pieces. So I'm just going to show you this code right here, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.